Hi all of you, back with another video on Ansible, and this is my Ansible part 2. So in this video I'm doing a hands-on lab on Ansible. So let's get started. First let me just terminate these machines and make new one in front of you. Okay, so now these machines are terminated. Now you can see that instant state is now shutting down. So let's make a new machine. Let's make three new machines, okay, not one, three. Okay, let me launch like now I am taking Ubuntu 20.04 this machine because it is also free, and I'll prefer this machine, and I also recommend this machine for you all to take for Ansible. Okay, so now let me just do next. Now again next, everything just let it be default. Now let me write just tag like name should be uh, Ubuntu or node. Let me write node. Okay, let me write only node. Now next, you can give any name you want. Let me take http and let me take https. I think these three are enough. Let me do anywhere. So my sources now anywhere, and these are your port numbers. Now next, now again next. So let me take machine name Ubuntu. Okay, you can create by choosing this new key pair you can choose, but I have already key pair, so I can take it like Ubuntu. And now it's time to launch these machines. Okay, I'm doing in front of you, that's why because you can do right from scratch. Let me take three. Okay, let me take where is my putty, there it is, putty gen. Now because I've taken only uh, one, I've taken three machines with one key, so let me just open, only I have to open this one key, and now I have to take another one, putty gen. Where is my putty? It is here, yeah, this one. And now again last one. Now it's time to take last one. Yes, so now let me first hide it. Okay, so let me first scroll it down, and here is your view instance. So as you can see that, let me just scroll it down. Wait a minute, oh, I forgot. uh I forgot to add two machines, so let me do it again. How can I make it? Is there any way? uh these are now terminated. Okay, I've only got one machine, so let me again launch another machine because I want to launch like two machines. So if you have to like launch, if you want to create like two machines, so right here two. Okay, now it's time to open again. Now again http and https. Yeah, now sources will be anywhere. Now again it's time to take Ubuntu 1, and now, yeah, now my machines are now also ready. Okay, ready to roll. So now view instances behind my face. Now you can see that. Let me write here like node 1. Okay, node 1 is this, and node 2 is this. So let me write here as well node 2. Oh, node 2. Okay, now let me make it not node, server. Okay, this is my server, this is my main, this is my main one which contains animal, where I will install an Ansible. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Now it's time to open. Let me open it first. Let me copy its IP and paste it here. Okay, and SSH auth. Now browse your key. My key is 12. And also appearance. Let me take appearance from here as well. Appearance should be like for you all I will take like 26 is enough. And color should be like what, yellow. So yellow color is for my this main one. Okay, this is for my Ansible, where I install Ansible. I have to write here Ubuntu. Okay, if you're taking Ubuntu machine, you have to write Ubuntu here to login. Now you can do sudo su for root user. Okay, so you don't have to write sudo again and again. Let me clear it as well. Now it's time to install. First it's time to update this machine. Get apt get update. Let me write it again, update. Okay, -y. So now this machine is now my updating. Okay, all the packages are now installing. Let me for now where is my node 1. So let me take node 1's IP, also open it as well here like this. ssh auth your Ubuntu, and appearance should be again 26 bold. Okay, 26 bold 26. And now this color should be like, I want to take node 1 should be like green. And let me first open this. After that I'll open that machine, Ubuntu. Yes. What is the problem? Ubuntu, my spelling is correct, but why? Oh, I forgot to add that key. Let me write it again. Appearance change bold, and my font should be like 26 for now. And foreground should be like green. Okay, and now it's time to add key as well. Without key it will not open Ubuntu. Yeah, now it's time to open Ubuntu. Okay, server refused R key. Why it is refusing? So let me first check what is the how to connect SSH client. Ubuntu is your key, and everything is right. Ubuntu, yeah, everything is right. Why it is not starting? Let me do it once more. I have to open now again putty and this putty. Now here I have to copy this IP address. First let me cross check this is right. Yeah, this is right. Okay, 198. Yeah, so now first let me open this SSH key Ubuntu. Now open. Yeah, so now let me write Ubuntu, login as Ubuntu. Now my spelling is correct. Yeah, correct. Server refused, no supported authentication method available. Server sent. Why it is not opening? Let me again check SSH client, your chmod for Ansible pim. Okay, I got it. I got it. I think let me first where is my Ansible pem? I think this is that key, Ansible config. So I think I've taken another key. So let me try one more time by using Ansible key. Okay, Ansible, where is my Ansible? This one is my Ansible. Now Ubuntu, it is also refusing. Why? No public key supported. I don't know why it is. Okay, I should take here as well Ansible pem. Let me just do for now, not Python, putty this, and now again putty. Now again putty should be like this one. Now let me first load Ansible config. Now it's time to take, now it's time to log in. Let me see it works or not. Okay, Ansible config, yeah, this one is that. Open. Now it's time to write Ubuntu. Now it is also refusing. So let me do one thing, that I will do one thing. So let me just do these, let me just terminate these instances, okay, for now. Also let me open my instance, this one, and my machine is now updated. Okay, so now it's time to install your uh, Ansible. Apt get Ansible, not here, I'll write install or Ansible. Apt get yum install, yeah, install Ansible. Okay, Ansible 1, or I think Ansible 1. Let me try, or Ansible. Let me try first for Ansible. So yeah, it is installing. As you can see, I have to write here capital Y. Now you can see that my Ansible is also installing. Okay, and with that Python is also installing, as you can see, because Ansible is made with Python. Okay, so that's why this is going on. So let me first create another machines for now. Okay, so as you can see that these machines are now terminated. If I do refresh, only my one machine is running, else all these machines are terminated, and they will disappear within 1 hour, I think. So let me take another machine. Let me take only this Amazon machines. Okay, so let me take this Amazon machine. Next I have to create two, node 1 and node 2, because two machines are good to showcase you what I'm doing. Okay, now name should be name should be node. Okay, node, yeah, node is my name. And next let me do all TCP, not all TCP, should be anywhere. My all TCP traffic should be allowed. Okay, and now also SSH as well. I think SSH comes under this TCP one. Okay, so now I think this much is good. Now it's time to do again. Now launch with my not Ubuntu, with my glossary one. Okay, yeah, so now you can see that my machines are ready. Let me open these as well. Let me first write name node 1 and node 2. Okay, let me first node, it's 1, it's node 1, it's not node 1, it's node 1. Let me do it as well. So now you can see that my two machines are ready. Let me do refresh. Yeah, my node 1, node 2 and my server is now running. So let me first open that one, putty. Where is my putty? There it is, putty gen, and I'll load here glossary for now for these two machines. And again putty, where is my, there it is, putty. Yeah, so now first I have to copy my node 1 IP address, public IP, not private IP, it's public IP. Now it's time to copy this here, and SSH auth browse your glossary one, whichever key you have. Okay, now it's time to open this. First let me do ec2-user, because it is your Amazon one, ec2-user. And now you can see that I have logged in into my machine. So let me make this machine green color. Also make font 26 pixel, or its point, let whatever it is, Western bold. Yeah, now it's time to change color, like I want green color for now. Yeah, so now this is looking good, really good. Sudo su, sudo su. So now I am a root user. Let me do it for this which one is that, node 2. Okay, I want to do it for node 2 as well. Yeah, so what is my IP of node 2? This is my node 2. Yeah, node 2 is this. So let me copy it here. Where is my puttygen configuration? SSH auth browse my key. This one is okay. And now it's time to do ec2 hyphen user, because it is your Amazon one. And now it's time to do sudo su to be a root user. Let me change its color as well, appearance as well, font as well. 26 bold. Okay, now color should be like what color should I take? Aqua is my node 2, green one is my node 1, and yellow one is my node. It is not node, it is your server. Okay, it is your master. So as you know that Ansible works on master's slave architecture, where is your one is your master and others are your slave. So your node 1 and node 2 are your slaves of your master. Okay, so let me update this machine as well. Apt get node 1 update hyphen y, because it asks. If you want to copy, you have to just highlight this and now just paste. Now just do like this. Now just press your right click. Okay, you don't have to do anything, you just have to press your right click. No ctrl plus v, nothing else. Apt get update hyphen y. Okay, I forgot that this is my Amazon machine. So there is your command yum update. Okay, because it belongs to your Red Hat and Debian family, so that's why this one. Yeah, so now this is good. Let me do it here as well. So now you can see that it is updating, and I want to do here as well. So yeah, so now Ansible is installed in my master node, you can say. And now what to do? Okay, now you have to do one thing, like let me show you. First let me show you where is your Ansible hyphen version. You can check your Ansible while doing this. Okay, so you can see that your Ansible version is this. Okay, and your Python version is also installed with Ansible, because there is a dependency of your Ansible. Okay, so now how to like I have told you in my previous video that how Ansible works. Ansible works like you have to update something in all your nodes. So how can you do that? So you just have to copy. Let me go here, and this is my node 2. First let me go in node 1. So this is your private IP of node 1. Okay, so let me copy it, and now you can like let me. So there is a path known as I'll show you vi /etc what is that path? Ansible. Okay, Ansible, and now dot not dot /host. Okay, host. So yeah, this is the path. Now you can see that you are in that area. So you have to just press I to remove to appear insert here. If I press I, you can see insert is there. So now you can scroll here, and there is an example. You can see web server alpha. These all are your you can say comments. So the comments in Linux starts with hash. Okay, so if I want to make some like let me do here. Okay, so I can do anywhere I want. So you have to make a group like this. I want a group like for example, like I am writing like developers. Okay, this is my group, and here I can paste my private IP of that node by doing just this. Okay, now wait a minute, where am I? So yeah, this is my private IP of node 1. Now I want to copy my private IP of node 2 as well. So let me copy from here, and now it's time to paste in my master. So I can do by this. Okay, by doing this. So now it's time to go back. It's time to go back. So now you can do like first press escape to remove this insert. Escape. Now my insert is removed. Now colon WQ. Why colon WQ? W is used for save, and Q is used for quit. Okay, so remember that. Now press enter, and you are now so you are now back on your terminal. As you can see, let me first clear this. Okay, now I want to what I want to do. First let me do like SSH. So this video is not showing, this video is just for configure your Ansible, install your Ansible, and also update your machine. So now you have to like I have already told you that that Ansible, your master server, communicates with your nodes with SSH. So SSH key, then you have to write this to generate key. So you can see, so my key is generated. This is my key. Okay, this is my key. My key is generated. So what I have to do now, so this is my path. Let me copy it, and let me do like vi, not here, not I think here or somewhere else. I think here. Let me do it like this. Now it's time to open this. So yeah, this is my key. This is my key, and this is I want to copy. Wait a minute. Yeah, so let me copy from here. Okay, so this is my key, and I want to copy here as well. Let me first clear it. Okay, what is my path of that? What is my path of that? That was like vi vi space SSH or root. I think root was there. Let me see first what was the path. Vi root dot SSH. Okay, so let me first copy this. Okay, so let me first copy this. Let me remove this. Yeah, so yeah, because I have not generated a key here, so that's why it is showing blank. Let me do here as well in my node 2. This is my node 2, as you all know. Vi, now this key, it is also blank. So now it's time to copy your this key. Okay, yeah, so now you have to just do one thing. You have to paste here and paste here as well. What is the problem? Let me first I think there is no problem. Okay, so you can now just do one thing. Just press I for now, and your insert is appeared. So now press escape. Now colon WQ, or you can do it by like this. In this I'm telling you, just write colon here. You can see here colon WQ. Now it is saved. So okay, so now your private IP of your nodes are pasted in your you can say this path of SSH where your public key of SSH is generated. Okay, this is your path. Okay, so now if you want to check, first let me where I am SSH. Yeah, first I have to go, like I want to quit this by doing this. Okay, so now I am back. So if you want to check that your if you want to check that your response from your nodes are getting or not, so what you have to do, Ansible and what will I do now? Ansible, what was my group name? Developers and hyphen m ping. Okay, yes, unreachable. Why this is unreachable? Fail to connect to the host, warning permanently add. Yeah, unreachable, true. Why my this is unreachable? Let me do one thing, like let me, I think I should do like I don't know what is the problem. Let me copy this and let me paste them in my notes. I think I want to do in notes, command not found. So yeah, you can see that your Ansible is not there, so that's why it is showing. Okay, so I don't know what is the problem with, let me check it again why it is doing. Let me check it again. Host, where is my host? There it is, 172.3.1. let me check, let me cross check my private IP of my nodes. Okay, let me remove this. Yeah, my private IP is, I think this is correct. Okay, 3128. Yeah, let me check node 1 as well. 172 139. Yeah, my this one is also good. So what is the problem? I don't know. Let me see. Developers is good. So there is an example as well. So yeah, my I've created like this. Okay, so I think there is not an issue. Colon WQ, it's time to get out. VI is etc Ansible host. Yeah, it is good. So let me first SSH key already exists. Okay, so let me first configure my SSH key again. Okay, by pressing Y. Yeah, my SSH key is now okay, I forgot something. I let me just do one thing, like let me first open this. Okay, let me first open this here as well. So yeah, this is my key, public key. So now it's time to open here as well. Let me do it. Vi is your editor. So this is your public key. I think I've already pasted. I want to now do like refresh. Let me do Vi. Yeah, so now my SSH key is generated again. So let me first copy this. Okay, from here. Now it's time to open here, and now let me first delete this key. Now it's time to paste it as well. Now it's time to escape. Now colon WQ to save. Now it's time to do in node 2 as well. This is my node 2. It's time to insert and now it's time to, so now it's time to paste here. Okay, now escape colon WQ. uh yeah, this is good. Now cat, let me cat root dot s dot, not dot I. Now yeah, this is good. So yeah, this is my public key I've pasted in. I think I'm doing something wrong because uh, I've learned not, I think there is another path. Let me there is a yeah, there is a path called as vi root and dot ssh dot authorize key. Yeah, this was the path. uh rsa command echo, what is this? Let me first let me first remove this. I think I can't do by doing this. How can I do this? So let me first clear all this. Okay, so now I've cleared my all the stuff which is present here. So now it's time to copy. Let me copy it from here. Okay, now it's time to copy here from here and paste it here. Where is my that? Yeah, paste it here. So yeah, this is my now authorized key. Okay, so let me do escape colon WQ. So now it's time to do it in this as well. Let me do vi, not this one. Let me do it like authorized key. Okay, AU, now pressing tab. So yeah, now I want to remove this as well. So first let me remove this, and after that I'll show you that ping command. So now my all stuff is cleared in my node 1. This is my node 1. So let me paste it here. Now it's time to again press escape to remove this. Insert now colon WQ. Okay, now let me do press enter. So let me first go back from here as well, colon WQ. So let me first clear the screen by writing clear. So now if I do that ping command again, where is my ping command? Yeah, developers. So now you can see that my success rate is now, you can see that in my Ansible fact is this. Okay, it's your success. So ping pong changed false. Okay, discovered interpret Python. So it means just do this stuff in your machines as well, by creating two machines. Okay, and after that if you get this message, it means you have done successfully, you have attached your nodes to your master. And after that you can do like this as well. Let me first clear this. Let me first do like this. It is only showing because I've came out of that. So you can do by writing this, not developers. If you write like all, if you made like two groups, so you can do like all Ansible all, and you will get the same message as you can see here. Okay, so yeah, that is 1172311025 unreachable. So my one key is now accessible, but my second one is, let me check the node 2. It is the IP of node 2, I think. Let me check it here. What is my IP of node 2? IP, yeah, that is my IP of node 2. So let me first see authorized key. I think my authorization is okay here. Okay, there is nothing left with my authorization. So first let me do like this. Okay, first let me again remove this. So it takes a lot of time, but let me do it for you. and because I want that success rate in both machines, so that is why I'm removing this key again, and let me paste it as well. So let me open the key in my first one, in my server. So I can do like cat, not here. Let me first do clear ctr plus l. Now cat /root / dot ssh dot id, yeah, id rsa. I think, yeah, that is the path. And open ssh private key. I think this was not that path. Let me do it again. Why it is not working? I want to clear. Yeah, so now it is like ssh. What was that? Let me check the command. Yeah, rsa dot pub. Okay, so now let me first again copy this. Oh my god, this is a hell lot of only this. Let me do like why it is going up again and again. So now it's time to copy again the key. I think there is some mistake. Escape :wq. Now it's time to go out first :wq. So now if I do like Ansible all amping, okay, so my node 1 is success. Let me check the node 2. Why this is failed to connect to the host via ssh host key verification failed, unreachable true. Why this is going wrong? Unreachable. Why it is going unreachable? I don't find anything which I did.
ਉਹ ਜੱਟ ਹੱਸਲੇ ਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਖਬਰੋਂ ਜਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਫੜਦਾ ਏ